Good morning students, let us continue the chapter number 16, Sustainable Management of Natural Resources. Now last time we discussed about the coal and petroleum. You know that coal and petroleum are the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means which can be used once it's used they can exhaust forever, and it takes millions of the year for formation, and the coal is made from dead bodies of plants and the petroleum is made from dead bodies of animals. Okay, now let us perform activity 16.11. Now you know that coal is used in thermal power station. Thermal power station you have seen, if you go Sabarmati, then when we cross the bridge, at the end of the bridge, you know that this thermal power station of Ahmedabad, that is situated there, and the coal is used as a source of energy in thermal power stations, and petroleum products like petrol and diesel are used in means of transport like vehicles, whatever the vehicles we are using, car, truck, bus, ships, aeroplanes. We cannot really imagine life without the number of इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस. अभी जैसे 1 घंटा भी अपनी लाइट चली जाती है, सो नाउ इन दिस एज वी आर नॉट एबल टू लिव विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस. हर मशीन का यूज़ आ गया हमें, राइट? अभी कपड़े धोने हैं सपोज, सो कपड़े धोने मीन्स वॉशिंग द क्लोथ्स. अभी कोई बोले भाई 4 दिन मशीन ख़राब है, तो क्या होता है, वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन दिस ऑल द मशीन्स. विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नाउ आवर लाइफ इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड कॉन्स्टेंट यूज़ ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. अभी छोटे बच्चे को भी गाड़ी चाहिए, 12-15 साल का बच्चा है, सो वी आर नाउ यूजिंग ऑल दीज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन व्हीकल्स फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. सो कैन यू थिंक द वेज इन विच आवर कंजप्शन ऑफ coal and petroleum products to be reduced? So if we use all these resources like petroleum and coal, then it will not be longer with us, and for future generation उनको तो सिर्फ नाम सुनने को ही मिलेगा, right? So some simple choice you can make a difference in our energy consumption pattern. Now you know the advantages, disadvantages and the environment friendliness of these following. Now what type of steps you will take? Taking a bus using your personal vehicle or walking or cycling. Means if you are going for the short distance, so you can go on cycle or walk by walking, or you can use the public transport. Public transport means बस है, जैसे एक बस 50 जनों को ले जाएगी, राइट? बट इफ़ वी यूज़ अवर कार मीन्स अवर पर्सनल व्हीकल, इट विल यूज़ द सेम पेट्रोल, सो दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 50%, एंड हमारी पैसे की भी बचत होगी प्लस देश के पेट्रोल की भी बचत होगी. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द पर्सनल व्हीकल्स, वी शुड हैव टू यूज़ द पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन or cycle on the short distances or on foot we have to go. Then second step, using LED bulbs or the fluorescent tubes in your homes. Now LED bulbs are available in the market and they are somewhat costly but long lasting and gives us more light by using less electricity. इसमें हमारी बिल की बचत होती है, right? So we have to use LED lights. Then using the lift or taking the stairs. Instead of lift in the flats or big high buildings, we have to use the staircase up to 2 or 3 floors, right? Then wearing an extra sweater or using a heating device, heater or sigri on cold days. अब ठंडी लगती है, सो वी यूज़ द हीटर्स, रूम हीटर्स, बट इन अहमदाबाद इट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड, बट इन दिल्ली, नॉर्थ इंडिया इट इज़ वाइडली यूज्ड. वहाँ की ठंडी बहुत पड़ती है, राइट? सो इन प्लेस ऑफ दीज हीटर्स वी हैव टू यूज़ द सिगरी or wear the warm clothes. right? Sweaters like shawls. So we can save the energy by taking these steps. The management of coal and petroleum also addresses the efficiency of our machines. Fuel is most commonly used in internal consumption of engines for transportation, and the recent research in this field that concentrates on ensuring complete combustion in these engines in order to increase the efficiency and also reduce the air pollution. अभी नई नई गाड़ियाँ आ रही हैं, उनकी efficiency भी ज़्यादा है और average भी ज़्यादा दे रही हैं, right? And pollution भी कम हो रहा है. You know about it. Now see the activity 16.12. You must have heard of the Euro 1 and Euro 2 norms for emission from vehicles. Find out how these norms work towards reducing air pollution. You know, now we are taking the PUC, that is pollution under control certificate, that is compulsory for the vehicles, right? So that is Euro 1 and Euro 2 norms are used to reduce the air pollution. Now last topic of this chapter, the management of natural resources. You know that sustainable management of natural resources is difficult task. In addressing this issue, we need to keep an open mind with regard to the interest of various stakeholders. We need to accept that people will act with their own best interest as the priority, but the realization that such selfish goals will lead to misery for the large number of people, and the total destruction of our environment is slowly growing. Going beyond the laws, rules and regulations, we need to tailor our requirements individually and collectively so that the benefit of development reach everyone now and for all generations to come. Is it clear? हमें अपना स्वार्थ छोड़ के सबके बारे में सोचना है, right? So then only we can develop our nation, and we have to use, no doubt we use करने हैं, but economically and judicially we have to use all these natural resources. Okay, so we completed this chapter.